Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies oven easy guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F before you start measuring ingredients. Begin by creaming butter and sugar until light, then add eggs and vanilla and mix until combined. Fold in dry ingredients gently to avoid overworking the dough. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes so cookies hold their shape during baking. In this video, I will show how to make cookies oven easy guide. Start by sifting dry ingredients together for an even crumb and better rise. Use a paddle or wooden spoon to mix until just combined to prevent toughness. If adding chocolate chips or nuts, stir them in at the end to distribute without overmixing. Adjust dough firmness with a tablespoon of milk or flour as needed for. In this video, I will show how to make cookies oven easy guide. Place scooped dough on a cooled baking sheet with about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake on the middle rack for 8 to 12 minutes depending on size until edges are set and centers look slightly underdone. Let cookies rest on the sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a rack to finish firming up and cooling completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.